Alright, what's going on, everybody? Got some good stuff brewing in here today. Tomatoes, cucumbers, scallions, and a Italian dressing. I'm not sure if it was zesty or not. We're going to take our chicken right here, this little boneless chicken breasts. Take a few of these. These guys are going to go on the grill. They will not cook very long at all. So we're going to go ahead and season these up. Olive oil, and I'll just dab some olive oil in there just like that. Take the chicken, put some olive oil on it. And this right here just gives it a little extra flavor, but it also helps when you put it on the grill, it's not going to stick to the grill as bad. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put a little bit of garlic salt on them, black pepper. So you just put a little bit of pepper on it, some paprika, and just throw a little bit of paprika. Don't take that much at all. Not much paprika. It's Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. Oh, malfunction. Try this again. It's not as easy as it looks, people. There we go. It's a little bit better. And we'll just throw some of this on here. And the old Everglades original. It's good stuff. So these are done. We got another piece of chicken here. On it. Boom. I wish I could have marinated these. There we go. That's the rest of them. Garlic salt. Not too much. The Everglades seasoning. Everglades cactus dust. Just like that. The sauce I use is from the Smoky Pokey. This you can only get in Oklahoma. You can't get it anywhere else. It's a thinner sauce. I love this stuff. Now we're going to cook the potatoes. Just instant potatoes. We're going to need some instant mashed potatoes. I like the buttery home style. And you're going to need a pan. 2 cups of water for every 1 packet. That's 2 cups. Remove it from the heat. Toss that in there. And then once you toss that in, you're just going to kind of give it a good mix up here. Uh-oh. A little too rough with it. Give it a nice mix up. Simple, easy. Kerrygold Irish butter. This stuff is really good. Once you add your butter, you just kind of let that, kind of bury it a little bit, and then you just mix it up. And just stir that up. Super easy. Super easy. When you don't feel like skinning your potatoes and doing all that, you just want something fast, simple, done and be over with. There we go. Now it's time for the grill. Time to cook these old suckers. Time for some barbecue sauce. I'll go ahead and put some on there a little early. The chicken's almost done. It doesn't take long to cook at all. For all of you that have subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate that. You know, I know you guys want to see videos of all kinds of stuff. You know, if you guys watching the channel just because fishing or whatnot, but right now with work, the way the weather's been the past month or so, I can't seem to get out there on a good day. I finally went out to Sebastian Inlet, and man, I caught a few catfish and a couple mangrove snapper. That's it. Everyone was slaying snook, redfish. I guess that's just my luck. I don't know. But just want to let you guys know, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna make this little cooking video for you. Cook some chicken on the grill. Appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel, and try to make different videos if I can, vlogging, whatnot. I figured I got a few minutes for the chicken to cook, so I'll also go ahead and just say hey to all you guys. Appreciate you watching. Well, alright guys, went ahead and made me a plate. Here's my baby. She's going to sit down there. She's going to have her plate. It's not zesty Italian dressing that's on it, so I don't eat it. It's just regular Italian, right? Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and chow down. So yeah, plain and simple for me. Meat and taters, that's it. And that cat's moving. Where you going? And if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment, subscribe. So yeah, we're just going to sit here and watch some TV. And we'll see you next time.